Just when you think the van's finished, we got more DIY. I literally have another task. Silla's got me building a deck today, Saturday morning, but no pressure because we are leaving this afternoon at 5 o'clock. So I've got about 6 hours to build the deck, finish painting the van and get rid of this bug that's busy irritating me. No, you're bugging me.
We're Girovagari, I'm Priscilla, and that's Chris, and we have finally built our van. We're hitting the road, and we're doing this whole van life thing full time. In this week's video, we build a super simple deck for our van, and we also introduce you to someone new to our travels. Join us on our journey. Who knows where the road might take us?
Here goes nothing. So this is how we decided to do it. We've cut some angle line, pre-cut some holes in them, and we have 25 by 25 square tubing, one piece for each side. Sorted. I'm just going to get the other ones installed and then we can start with pieces of wood. Now we're just going to put basically all the walls across like this, all the way along, screw them in and hit the road. I think what we might do also is I'm just going to put a piece of wood over here because we're going to have shorter pieces around obviously the fans, and just so that it can support itself on the roof. Instead of just welding a whole frame, I just decided to make 2 rails. It's a lot simpler and easier. If you look here, we put on some like squishy rubber so that it doesn't vibrate between the body and the bracket that we made. So it's just got a softer pad for it to sit on.
I'm ready for my holiday. Our new furry friend that's going to be joining us on our travels. This is Barley. He likes to keep himself entertained, and he's a silver dappled dachshund. Try and say that fast. Anyway, he's crazy just like us, and he likes doing DIY and getting involved, so he suits us just perfectly fine. So this is our deck. It's not 100% complete, but it's super simple and it's super low profile, and it's just what we need for our next trip. As you can see, it's quite tough being a puppy, but please join us in our next episode as we finally hit the road. We're on our way to Scotland, and this is exactly what the van was built for.